Are you also thinking about making a surfboard sock with your own artwork? Stick around if you want to know how I did it. And oh, this is, by the way, part 2 of a 2-episode series. Remember this video 2 years ago when I did this flower print? After contemplating for 2 years what to do with it, because I didn't quite like the overall result of the colors, I decided to enhance it with a paint. The colors that I chose I think will work well on the beige canvas. Subtle with a pop. Lavender with a touch of blue. A very bright orange. Almost neon. Forest green. And white. I don't have any specific idea what to paint, rather than just let it flow and go and enhance the paint with the existing flower print. Sometimes when you look at it, it can look very messy and just meh. But once you put the drawing or the painting in a spatial relation like a frame, it can become more intentional. Let's say you can draw anything on a piece of paper. It looks very random, but once you frame it, it becomes an artwork. You should try it out. Once this big fabric piece is turned into a surfboard sock, it'll work like a frame. So after getting the right measurements, I'm just cutting into the right shape. So instead of using a normal rope, I want to make a nice braided rope. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.